What students? We will start a new topic, means another topic of this chapter, relations and functions, composition of functions. Composition of functions. Already we learned in previous class what everybody understood. I hope this one function and onto function. Okay, both sets means f is one and onto means that is nothing but a bisective function. Right now, composition function. F maps a to b one function. Let f maps a to b one function. A is called domain, B is called codomain, and G maps B to C second function. Therefore, F and G be two functions, and the composition of combined we will combine these two functions, and the composition of F and G, and the composition of F and G denoted G circle F defined by G of F of x is equal to G of F of x for all x belongs to A. For all x belongs to A. So this is called composition function of F and G. Suppose this is the diagram. Let it be this is A. Okay, how can you express? Or defined by, how can you express this is G circle F maps A to C. This is A to C. Suppose this is B by G of F of x is equal to some x. Okay. X belongs to A. Clear? See, this is x, and under function f, this is under function g, this is f of x, this one g of f of x. So this is equal to G circle F maps A to C. So this is the composition function. Okay, this is the composition function. F maps A to B one function, and G maps B to C one function, and composition of F and G denoted by G circle F defined by where to where A to C. Okay, right. A to C. Therefore, A take element x, and f of x is equal to b element g of f of x. Maybe sometimes x means that is nothing but the identity function. No need to like this right. We'll get some another theorems are there. G of f of x is equal to g of f of x. Just to take x. That is the composition definition for all x belongs to A. So this is the composition function. For example, in our examination, to write board exams like a 10th or a 2nd PUC, suppose enroll the student name, okay, and related to is hall ticket number. First name, next number. Suppose you write examination, public board exam, first name and its number on the answer sheet. answer sheet. So this also daily life examples, so composition of two functions, your name and number, and write on that answer sheet. After evaluation, means for evaluation they will evaluate, and after evaluation decoding, they don't know your name, what is your name, where you studied, in which college or which school. So that's why the examiners evaluate the answer sheet and decode this barcode on the answer sheet. Barcodes are there. Barcodes are dependent barcodes, and again that decode this number, and again that marks will get in the means net or from the college or for school will get marks. How many marks? Suppose for example mathematics, how many marks out of 100? So 95, like that. How means like this composition function is the better example. This one, right? Some examples we look from this composition functions. Understand, friends? So F maps A to B and G maps B to C are two functions, and then we'll say the composition of F and G denoted by combined function. You can write. How can you write means G circle F maps A to C. G circle F defined by G circle F maps A to C by G of F of x is equal to G of, for take bracket in place of circle, take bracket first of all this function, next apply G function. So finally from the diagram this is the composition function, right? One example we take. Let F maps, F 2, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This value 3, 4, 5, 9, and G maps 3, 4, 5, 9. Next 7, 11, 15. Okay. So two functions are there defined by problem. We have defined by f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to 4. F of 4 is equal to 5. And G of 3 is equal to G of 4 is equal to 7. And G of 5 is equal to G of 9 is equal to 11. So find G circle F. Okay, that will find. F maps A to B, G maps B to C, 3, 4, 5, 9, 3, 4, 9, B to C, and values are given. Find G circle F. What is G circle F? G circle F is equal to A to C. So draw this diagram like this one and find how can you find G of F of x is equal to G of F of x, like this you will find. Okay. G circle F of x. G of F of x is equal to G of G circle F of x. G circle F of x. First value 2. X plus. Take 2. How can write in place of circle? Take bracket. F of 2 bracket. Then F of 2 value given. F of 2 value 3. G of 3 value 7. Okay, right. Next, G of next element 3. Therefore, G of F of 3. Now what is this value? G of F of 3 value 4. G of 4 value 7. Next, G of next element 4. G of f of 4. What is f of 4 value? F of 4 value 5. Then G of 5 value 11. Clear? Still one more element. G circle f of 5. How can write? We will write like this. G of f of 5. F of 5 value. How much f of 5 value? Not given. F of 5 value given 5. F of 4 and f of 5 value also. F of 4 and f of 5 value also same 5. Okay. F of 5 value 5 and G of 5 value 11. G of 5 value 11. So this is the G circle. Find G circle. Therefore, G circle F set is equal to what is the P set? 7. 7. So 2 times repeat means 1 time 11. Okay. G circle F is equal to how much? 7 comma 11. Okay, visible diagram. In the diagram. Right. This is, suppose let it be A, B, B, C. B, that is, this is A, B, C. Under the function F, under the function G. Right? So, domain what? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5 are the domain elements. 4 domain elements 3, 4, 5, 9. G codomain elements nothing but C 7, 11, 15. 7, 11, 15. Once you observe G circle F. What is G circle F? G circle F means A to C. A to C. Right. First value f of 2 value 3. F of 2 value 3. And we want G circle F of 2. So what G circle F? A to C. So 2 image here. G circle of here A is the domain, C is the codomain. G of f of 2 image is which one? That will find. So therefore, from this G of 3 value, what is 7? Clear? So G circle F of 2 image is value is equal to 7. Right. Next, f of 3 value 4. G circle of 3. So first f of 3 to 4. Next G of 4 value. G of 4 value also 7. Okay. Next G circle of 4. So first of all you consider f of 4. F of 4 value 5. 5. And G of 5. For this G, this is the domain. This is the domain. G of 5 value 11. Next, G of f of 5. So first function f of 5. F of 5 means f of 5 value 5. Next, G of 5 value 11. G of 5 value also 11. Same. Clear? Understand? Right. So like this by diagram, what is G circle of f of 2 is equal to 7. G circle f of 2 is equal to 7. G circle of f of 3 is equal to 7. G circle of f of 4 is equal to 11. G circle of f of 5 is equal to 11. So by the diagram or by this process. So finally G circle of value of set 7 comma. Clear? Understand? These are called the composition function. This is the example for the composition functions of f and g. One more example explain. Find G circle 16 example. Find G circle on f circle G if f maps R to R. R to R means real numbers to real numbers. Real numbers. For this function, domain real numbers, range also real numbers. R to R and G maps also R to R. G maps also R to R. Given by f of x is equal to cos x. F of x is equal to cos x and g of x is equal to 3x square. 3x square. Show that G circle f not equal to f circle G. Show that G circle f not equal to f circle G. Right. Given function R to R, this function also R to R. Domain and codomain both real numbers. In this also, domain and codomain both also real numbers and real numbers. Right. Given function, first of all find G circle f. G circle of x can be written as g of f of x. Right? Understand? F of x value cos x. F of x value cos x. Now, this is considered as x. G of x. What is g of x? 3x square. X place substitute cos. This is equal to 3x place cos x whole square. So this can be written as not for x square total. Therefore this can be written as cos square x. So like this one. First of all, this circle of x. This circle place read as this is circle G circle f. G circle f. So in place of circle, bracket G of f of x. So first of all write f of x value. What is f of x value? Cos x. G of f of x. Right. Gx already given. G of x means 3x square. So where x, this is treated as x. Where x, substitute this value. So therefore 3x square, 3 cos square x. Right. Next. F circle G of x. F of circle place, take bracket G of x. Okay, right. First of all, G of x 3x square. 3x square. Now consider f function. Function f of x is cos x. So here x place substitute 3x square. Cos 3x square. Once you observe both are different or same. This is 3 cos square x. This is cos 3x square. Therefore, both functions not equal. Therefore, G circle F is not equal to F circle G. This is the problem. So, like this, composition functions combined like this. Okay, these are the examples. So, finally, what we proved? Hence, this is not equal. G circle F and F circle G are not equal. One more example. Example 17. Show that F max R minus 7 by 5 except 7 by 5. To R minus 3 by 5 is defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 5x minus 7 comma one more function g max r minus 3 by 5 to r minus 7 by 5 r minus 7 by 5 r minus is defined by g of x is defined by g of x 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. Okay, show that then f circle G is equal to IA. And G circle F is equal to IB. Okay. Right. 7 by F, why you take means are real numbers. Suppose if you take 7 by F, 5 by can 7 minus 7. So not defined. So that's why except 7 by remaining all values. Okay, here also, suppose if you take 3 by 5, 5 by can 3 minus 3, 0, not defined. So that's why except here r minus 3 by 5. Right. Sounds important example. First of all, anyone, either F circle G or G circle F will find. Okay, F circle G. Both are G of x, F of x. Take x. First of all, F circle place, take bracket. Right. F of G of x 7x plus 4 5x minus 3. What is G of x is equal to 7x plus 4 5x minus 3. F of x this is. What is f of x? 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. Where x substitute this full value, whole value, substitute in x. Clearly observe students. 3 of x place 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 plus 4. Okay. Next 5 of 7x plus 4 5x minus 3. Where x substitute this total value minus 7. Right, take LCM. Here you multiply 3 inside. 21x plus 12 minus 4. LCM is 5x minus 3. 4 5x minus 3 whole divided by here LCM is also 5x minus 3. 35x plus 20 minus 7 of 5x minus 3. So this one should cancel. Next 21x plus 12 minus 20x plus 12. Right? 35x plus 20 minus 35x plus 21. Okay. Hmm. 21x minus 20x. X. Here plus is there. Check it out. So here also, okay, here plus. Plus means 20x, so 41x. Right? Here minus. So minus 12 plus 12 cancel. Minus 35x plus 35x cancel. 20 plus 21. 41x. Right, x. We know identity function. In first PUC, identity function means what? I maps R to R. What is identity function? Is said to be identity function. I of x is equal to x. This is the identity function. So for 1, what is the value? 1. For 2, this value is equal to 2. For 3, answer is equal to 3. For minus 1, so the value is equal to minus 1. I of minus 1. For minus 2, answer is equal to minus 2. So this is the identity function graph. I of x is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to what you take? If you take some x, I of x will get answer in same x. So therefore, this can be written as I a of x. Therefore, I a. F circle G is equal to I a, identity function. Right. Next one. G circle f of x. G circle f of x. This is equal to G of f of x. First of all, take an assumption place. G circle f of x is equal to G of f of x. G of what is f of x? F of x value 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. So this is treated as x. G of x. G of x is equal to 7x plus 4 by 5x minus 3. Where x substitute this total value in x. That implies 7 of 3x plus 4 by 5x minus 7. This bracket product. Plus 4 divided by 5 of 3x plus 4 5x minus 7 minus 3. Here take LCM. What is LCM? 5x minus 3, 7 3s, 21x plus 28 plus 4 of 5x minus 7 whole divided by here LCM also 5x minus 7 15x 20 minus 3 or 5x minus 7. Okay, visible? 5x. Right, this one should cancel. So finally, this value is equal to 21x. 21x plus 28 20x 28 15x 20 15x 21. So 28 cancel, 15x cancel, remaining value what? 41x divided by 41. So this also x. So a circle G can be written as, suppose for example A to B, G is B to C. So finally we get A to C. So therefore that is IA. G circle okay, that is reverse of A to C. Okay, for example F means B to C, A means B to A, F means, suppose for example, F means B to A, G means A to C. Therefore, B to C is nothing but F circle G, and G circle F means reverse, like that. So finally you get answer x value. So this also IB of x, IB of x, right? So once you observe here, r minus 7 by 5 to r minus 3 by 5, F maps, G maps, r minus 3 by 5 to r minus 7 by 5. So this is B, A, A, just B. What you understand from that? F maps B to A, G maps A to B. We want G circle F. First F means B to A to B. That implies we get answer B to B. This is IB. Next F circle G is equal to first G A to B, next B to B. That implies A to A is equal to identity function. So clear? So that is showing. That is the problem. So 17th problem. What will show that? F circle G is equal to IA of x and IA of x. G circle F of x is equal to IB of x. Where x belongs to B, here x belongs to A. So this is the problem. Like that, right, students? Took place. Finally, what you write? G circle F is equal to IB and F circle G is equal to A. Hence. So like that, do the problems composition of two functions and three functions also is there. Like this. So okay students, we will continue the remaining problems. Some theorems are there. We will explain next class theorems and next exercise.